The only reason why you should be broke in 2025 is if you use a phone like this one. See, if you have a smartphone device, honestly speaking, and you are broke, you have yourself to blame for it, because trust me on this one, with your smartphone, there are so many things that you can actually do, leveraging on the internet to make money online. And in this video, I am going to be giving you simple ones that you can actually do. You don't even need any money to start it.
So in case you're not aware, you can actually get paid for watching videos on social media with this new application that I'm actually showing you guys right here. Now, this is what I'm currently doing. I'm currently scrolling through my phone and I'm getting paid for watching all of these videos on my smartphone device. Now, for you to actually get on this platform, it is absolutely free. You're not paying any money to get on this platform. And then you come here, you can watch videos and you can actually earn. I have a full ass tutorial of this on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. But then again, before you go, let me just let you know that you can sign up with the link in the description of this video. With that link, when you sign up, you get $3 sign up bonus. Now, when you get this $3 sign up bonus, you're also going to be getting free glasses, because for you to earn, you have to have glasses. So when you sign up for the very first time, you're also going to get that glasses. Okay, make sure you sign up with the link in the description of this video, or in the caption. You're going to get the free glasses, you're going to get the sign up bonus, and then with these free glasses, you can actually earn up to $10. Right, I actually tested this thing out. Like, I did a live demo while testing it. Like, I did a live demonstration of it, so you can go and check out the video. I'm also going to link the video in the description of this video, or maybe drop it in the caption. You actually get these glasses and you can actually earn $10 with these glasses, and you can actually withdraw directly to your bank account. Like, that's like the good thing of in all of these things. So even if you are not abroad, even if you're in Nigeria, you're in any part of Africa, I think you can also actually take advantage of this and get your payment directly to your bank account. Do you understand? So I don't see any reason why you should be broke with an application like this. This is just like your regular normal, like you're watching Facebook reels, Instagram reels, TikTok, and all those stuff. So you can actually leverage on this particular application to make money online for yourself. It's a social media site, as you can see. I also have, this is my own account, my profile. You can see I'm even posting my videos here, and I even have followers also already. So you can also leverage on this. You know what, let me not talk too much. You can go check out the video and learn more about this application. So this is one way you can actually earn on social media without doing much. You just have to sign up on this application, post your content if you have content, and if you don't have content, there's no problem. They are not even only paying creators, they are paying content consumers. So this is an opportunity that you can leverage on to make money online if you have a smartphone device. Another way you can leverage on your smartphone to make money online and start easily and for free is by online surveys. Take for instance, you can sign up on a survey site like Swagbox and actually get paid in dollars. As you can see on this particular site, they've paid out over $600 million, and it's actually free to join. You can see here, join for free. It is free to join. You can do it with your smartphone. You don't even need a laptop to do it. And as well, for this online service as well, I have a full ass tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can actually check out and watch those tutorials and see how you can actually leverage your smartphone to start making money online. So if you know that you've never made money online before, you've always been thinking, oh, how does this online money making thing, how does it even work? You can actually check out the online survey platform and start making money with online surveys. And you can also check out this get paid watching videos on social media and getting paid for it. Like, I have a hands-on tutorial on online surveys and the getting paid by watching videos on my YouTube channel. I'm going to link them in the description. If you have questions as well, feel free to drop them in the comment section as well. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. This video is not supposed to be long. I just wanted to come and let you guys know that you don't even need too much to start leveraging on your smartphone to make money online. See, even if it's just small stipend just to augment your bills or something, you should be making at least small thing, no matter how small, online in the comfort of your home. So if you want to get started, go ahead right now and get started. Now I'm going to show you guys one last thing. Now this is like this one is just it's going to be paying you in naira, but you know what, let me just show it to you guys. This one is doing freelancing or micro jobs, like they call it, MICROJOBS, and I'm going to show you guys the website where you can actually do that as well. So hold on. So there's this website called owodaily.com where you can actually take micro jobs and get paid for completing those micro jobs. And you know, on this platform, however, is not free to join. I initially did not want to add it to it, but then again, the registration fee is not so much. I think it's 5,000 naira thereabout. So if you know you can afford that money, you can actually get started on Owodeli and start taking micro jobs and actually get paid for doing that. Now let me show you the examples of how these micro jobs look like, and if you are interested in signing up, I'm going to also leave my link in the description of this video or in the caption of this video, so you can check it out and you know start taking micro jobs. And there are a lot of things that you can actually still do on Owodeli to make money, but let me show you guys how the micro jobs is. So this is how the micro jobs is like you can see that there are really easy things that you can do. You can see it says Instagram job, real profiles only. It's just for you. Maybe if you apply for this one now, let's take a look at it. So this one says Instagram job, drop an original complimenting comment, reply to another comment. I basically just drop a comment on the post and then you get paid for doing that. Do you understand? That is basically what this one is all about. Now this Telegram job here says this one is basically telling you to join a Telegram group and then you get paid for joining the Telegram group. Do you understand? Like there are so many micro jobs that you can do, and it takes just few seconds for you to do them. You know, it's just for you to click and do, and you can like do a lot. Look at this particular one is paying 100 naira. This one is 20 naira. This one is paying 150 naira. You know, there are so many jobs here that you can actually do. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and you know sign up on this platform, owodeli.com. I'm going to leave my link in the description of this video, so you can sign up with my link and you know get some extra perks, or you know, and you know get started and do it. So this is something that you can actually do, you know, to get some side income for yourself. As long as you have a smartphone device, trust me, you should not be broke, especially in 2025, because trust me, there are so many opportunities waiting for you on social media, on the internet, that you just need to grab it and take advantage of it, leveraging on just your smartphone.